Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at converting percentages to fractions and then making sure they're simplified completely. Okay, if we don't understand this already, percent means out of 100, per 100. So that makes it dead straightforward to write this as a fraction unsimplified, because it's 36 out of 100. 36 out of 100. Imagine if you got that on a test, you'd write it like that. 36 out of 100. However, that's not simplified, so we've not finished the question just yet. So we need to simplify it. Now, I'm looking at this and going, what can I divide it by? I can half it. So there's a nice easy spot straight away. So let's half it. Well, half of 36, well, that's 18 out of half 100 is 50. Oh, I can half that again, so let's half that again. Well, that's 9 out of 25. Now, I can't half that again, so what else can I divide that by? Can I divide both by 3? No, 3 doesn't go into 25. Can I divide it by 5? Because I know that goes into 25. No, that doesn't work. I think that's it. I can't divide 9 and 25 by any other numbers. So, 36% as a fraction simplified is 9 over 25. Let's have a look at this 18%. If you want to have a quick go before I do, then please pause the video and I will then go through the solution afterwards. Okay, 18%. Let's start the same way. It's 18 out of 100. 18 out of 100. Ooh, I can half that, so let's half that. That's 9 out of 50. Right, 9 out of 50. Can I halve it? No. Can I divide by 3? No. I think that's it. So 18% is 9 over 50. Now, 2 more quick questions. I'm just going to show you the answers to these. So have a go yourself and I will come back to you in a couple of seconds. Okay, our answers for these questions. 38% is 19 over 50. And 65% is 13 over 20. So just a quick recap, just to make sure we've got this in the bag. Always start off with the percentage over 100. And then just try and divide by simple amounts until you can't do it any further. And that's how you convert a percentage to a fraction simplified.